Albert the Seagull. Albert the Seagull had only one leg. He would feel so embarrassed when she was hopping around trying to get food because all the other girls had two legs and they would call to him, "Hi, Munu, come on the Munu faster." Munu means one. "See if you can hop as fast as we can." "Run!" Albert feels sad. He wished that he had two legs. All they wanted was to be the same as the other girls. To be a part of the clock, he hopped around and looked for food, and she saw all other girls running together in the front of a wave. He thought to himself, "I know that I am pretty special and I am going to prove it to the other girls. I might not be able to hop as fast as they can run, but I find something else that I'm good at." Albert practiced hopping. He kept out sight. He didn't want them to see him. He went to the other side of the sand dune, and he hopped and hopped until the little leg could hardly take it anymore. He was so tired. Suddenly he had an idea. He neatly spread his wings and floated, then gently against his fly as fast as the other do. "But I want to be the best then." They point to me and say, "There, that's Albert, the fastest bird around. They be proud to know me." Albert decided that if he wanted to practice, he would have to go away from the rocks so that no one would see him. He didn't want them to wonder what he has up. "Hi, Munu," he heard a group of seagulls call. "What are you doing down there by yourself? Come and join us. Come, hop." Albert looked at them sadly and they ran away from him, screeching with delight. He flew and caught up them. "Hey, Phila, flee, Philas, please stop, my leg is so tired." "We'll fly then." "Mono can fly. Fly as as we can run." They teased him. "You have to keep up with us if you want to play with us." With that, they ran down to meet an incoming wave. Now was his chance to get away and practice. He flew for a little while until he reached the next beach. There were no girls there, of course, so he went over the sand domes, and now was his chance. The next beach there were more girls there, are of course, so he went over the sand dunes and lied there were no girls there. He looked off, flying as fast as he could. He felt the air lifting up. He felt three is this faster and faster than the other girls. The next morning, Arbel hop, hop, and away from the crack. Please! That's no one saw him go. He was excited as a flew off. Eventually, as the sun rose and car- cards, the sea owl flew back to the frog. He decided that she should get to the tired of other girls would realize what he was up to his missing leg. He didn't mind it. Could feel the strength in his wings. He knew that in a few of his missing legs, days time the flock would take off across to the island that was the chance he was waiting for. The next afternoon, he left good about himself. He smiled with that he looked one last flight for the day and returned out to other girls. When he went off a few days until Lol and sudden him, Rita and all girls began watching all. Bert, she observed the Albert has been missing in the morning and sometimes in the afternoon. Albert looked at her smile. Her Arilita cocked her head. You are looking pretty sure yourself soon. So that this is for today's video guys. So walang story natin. Yan. So next video na lang. Bye.